Hey guys, so we are going to be making egg surprise with eggs, tomato, ham,
and cheese.
Cheese. So right now we cracked 4 eggs and I only have 2 more to crack. So let's get on.
Go ahead and get cracking that. And I'm going to get some ham cut up. Can you believe this? She's 6 years old. She's cracked 5 eggs so far. No shells. So last one. 6 for 6. Let's see here. What's up, bud? Yeah. Go watch your show.
No shell.
We're making dinner.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Good idea. 6 eggs. No shells. All right. How many pieces of ham? Do you think 3 pieces is good or just 2?
Maybe 3.
Let me get a different knife really fast. Nope. Let me get a different tomato. That one's yucky.
Then you guys see me back? I'm all ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this away. Oh gosh. So guys, you wanna hear something funny?
Okay, can dump the ham in there.
So guys, I thought this yellow egg was one of these like little yellow balls, but I realized that was an Easter egg. So do I need to put all of these in?
Yep, dump the ham in.
Oh, here we go.
And we'll cut up the tomato.
Oh, here's the ham. Look, I have clean hands.
Yep. Let the dog eat the rest.
Yeah.
There you go, bud. Okay.
We have a tomato.
Cut up the tomato.
This was a circle.
Cut out the middle. Toss that in the sink. Oh, I missed. Oops. You can eat one. We don't need too many tomatoes. Give that one as well. You want to do a couple handfuls of cheese?
Mm-hmm.
So after we cook the eggs and ham a little bit, then we'll throw the tomatoes in. Just, we don't want these to get too soggy. You have that one, yep. Alright, okay, we will see you in about 3 minutes. But you don't have to wait, because it's just going to be automatic. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Boom! We're back.
So this
Very good.
is on.
So we're cooking on a medium heat right now. Okay, I think that's good, so let's set this down.
Yep, we're going to shut this down.
So we're going to take the oil and then just drizzle a little bit. That's good. Let it heat up. That's pretty hot. Okay, the oil is ready. Okay. Ready to dump this in? Yep. Dump it slowly so it doesn't splash.
party where we got 4 recesses and we got cotton candy. So right when you get out there, you get in a line for cotton candy. And the 5th graders got to do a dance for all the 1st graders.
And this ham is just leftover, so it's already been cooked, so don't worry about it. It's leftover from Easter dinner, which was really yummy. How's it taste?
Good.
We're just waiting for the toast to finish. It looked too good to Miss Kaylee, so she had to dive right in and not wait for her toast. Is it good? You did a good job. Oh,
There's my bread.
toast is done. Let's butter it up and... All right. Okay, we're well into our meal. Preston, is it yummy? Thumbs up. Oh, forgot your thumb. There you go. Say thumbs up.
Even though his name is Preston and he's only 2 years old.
Yeah. Okay, you have the emoji cup. What are you drinking in your emoji cup?
Milk.
And on your emoji cup, what emoji are you feeling?